team players and base with captains. Siapa, come on. जम गेम होने लगी है, आप जम करके ट्राई करो, टेंशन नहीं है. ओके ओके ऑल स्टार. ओके, ready for national anthem of Pakistan. आया है खुदा जुल जलाल. ओके, नाउ माइक इज फ्री फॉर ऑल स्टार. और स्यापा ब्रो, अगर आपने अपने प्लेयर्स को कुछ बोलना है, कैफी ब्रो, तो आप माइक पे आ सकते हो और बोल सकते हो. उनको एक्टिव करवाना है या उनको जो है ना कुछ नसीहतें करवाने हैं, वो आप करवा सकते हो. ऑल स्टार, माइक फ्री फॉर यू एंड डाउन ऑल प्लीज एंड डाउन ऑल यूजर्स. Come on, all star, mic free for you.
अंजना, तू इतना जज्बाती इंसान है, पता नहीं क्यों यार. हम भी प्ले करेंगे, हमारा एंथम सॉन्ग है, हाथ नहीं होगी. हैंड रेस प्लीज ऑल, हैंड रेस एवरीवन. ये सॉन्ग की आवाज किधर है? Hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Thank you so much everyone. Mike, over to you, Anjana. Thank you.
Okay, bro. Ready, both teams. Good luck. All-Star team and Ishq Da Sutta for the final of Zimta Cricket Tournament 2021. Sponsors are Queen and Shera. Come on, hand on us and Don. Come on, guys, and on. Okay, Samir, we are waiting for you. And Don all. Queen.
Next shot, please. Cricket shot, please. Thank you so much, Seven. Bro, shot is ready. Cricket is ready. Ball, please. Third ball. Spartacus. You can guess. I have the shot. Ball, please. Batsman is ready. Cricket is ready. Ball, please. That is tricky batting. Very good batting. Careful. 2 runs. Next shot. Next shot, please. Cricket. Shot, please. Cricket. Shot is ready. Last ball. Spartacus. Last ball. Kindly guess. I have the shot. Cricket is ready. Last ball. Batsman is ready. Ball, please. Last ball. Oh, very close. But not yet. Next, please. Again, it's a normal over. Kindly wait for the bowler. Cricket. All stars, kindly send your bowler. Spartacus, hand down, please. No, over. First ball was a wicket, then 3 shots played by the cricket. Okay, bowler, please. Bowler, please. Sip look on bowling, sip look. Okay, cricket, it's a normal over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Shot, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Shot, please, cricket. Okay, sip look, it's a normal over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Sip look, normal over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Ball, please. Shot is ready. Ball, please. First ball. First ball, please. Again, 2 runs. Next shot, please. Cricket. Cricket is ready. Second ball, please. Sip look. You can ball. Runner, welcome. Second ball. I got the shot. Sip look. Shot is ready. Cricket is ready. Ball, please. Second ball. Batsman is ready. Ball, please. Just missing. Good timing. Next shot. Next shot, please. Cricket. Cricket shot, please. Cricket shot, please. Shot is ready. Second last ball. Sip look. Sip look. I got the shot again. Ball now. Cricket is ready. Ball, please. Second last ball. Awesome timing for that 4. Late cut and 4. The third ball. Next shot, please. Cricket. Shot, please. Cricket. Soon welcome. Shot is ready. Cricket is ready. Last ball, please. Sip look. Last ball. Sip look. Shot is ready. Last ball, please. Last ball, please. Cricket is ready. Last ball. Sip look again. Ball now. Back to 2. All completed. Wait karo, batsman cricket, because it's a combo over. Wait please cricket, it's a combo over. And let the bowler come. Make up on bowling, make up hand raise. Make up on bowling. Make up, are you here? Make up. Ba, she's saying ba. Send her for bowling, okay? Cricket, digits 2, 3, 4, 6, okay? Digits 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. Cricket, you have to send me 4 shots, okay? You have to send me 4 digits in my PM. 2, 3, 4, 6 are your digits. Shot, please. Thank you so much. Shot is ready. Make up. It's a combo over. 2, 3, 4, 6 your digits. Kindly send 4 shots or 4 digits in public. Gus, please. Ball, please. 2, 3, 6, 4. 6 runs and a wicket. Well done. Next, please. Seven, it's a combo or 7, kindly listen, it's a combo or 2, 3, 4, 6 digits. 2, 3, 4, 6, kindly send me 4 shots. Kindly send me 4 digits in my PM 7. Make up, hand shuffle please. And then wait. Make up, hand shuffle and then kindly wait. Make up, hand down, hand raise, then wait please. Thank you. So the shot is ready. Make up, Gus please. Shot is ready. Make up, you can ball. Second ball. Second ball. Make up. Shot is ready. Ball please. 7 is ready. Ball please. Make up. Make up. You can ball. I got the shot. 7 is ready. Ball please. 2 runs. 2 runs and wicket alert. Very well done. One more wicket down cheaply. It was just 2 runs. Smiley, hand raise for batting. Daku, welcome. Smiley, one batting. Smiley, it's a combo. Kindly come to bat. Walaikum salam, Daku. Smiley, hand raise. You are on batting. Welcome, Smiley. You are on batting. So please raise your hand. Smiley, raise your hand please for batting. Smiley, hand raise please. Smiley, hand raise. Thank you, Smiley. Kindly listen to me. It's a combo over. Kindly listen to me. It's a combo over. Smiley, 2, 3, 4, 6 are your digits. 2, 3, 4, 6 your digits. You have to send me 4 shots or 4 digits together. Shot please. Kindly send 4 digits in my PM. Shot please, Smiley. Thank you, runner bro. Smiley, shot please. Thank you, Smiley. Shot is ready. Make up. Third ball please. Ball please. Make up. Shot is ready. You can ball. Batsman is ready. Make up. You can ball now. That is all runs. 14 runs to the average. Smiley, shot please. Smiley. 1 ball remaining. Smiley, shot please. Smiley, shot please. Smiley. Shot is ready. Smiley is ready. Last ball. Make up. You can ball now. Make up. Shot is ready. Smiley is ready. Ball please. Make up. Make up. You can ball. Ball please. I got the shot. 3, 3, 3. So no chance to escape that 3. 4 runs and a wicket. The super ball. Well, like Smiley still good batting. And now it's a normal over. King on batting. King hand raise. And bowler is Payal. King hand raise please. Okay, King. Okay, King, it's a normal over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. King, it's a normal over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Thank you, Samir bro. King, shot please. Champion, welcome. King, shot please. Thank you, King. Payal, it's a normal over 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Ball, please. Payal. I got the shot, so you can ball. Kindly guess. Payal. Shot is ready. Ball, please. First ball. King is ready. Payal. Just missing. It's a 3. Next, please. Wait, kindly wait. King. Wait, bro. Let me type. Still wait. Thank you for waiting. Short please. It's a free hit. 4 or 6. King short please. Digits 4 or 6. First free hit. King short please. King, short please. Kindly speed up, King. Your shot is ready. Fine, it's a free hit. 4 or 6. Your digits. Ball please. King is ready. Pile ball. Shot is ready. Welcome back, runner, bro. That is blocked. Strong hands. Pile. Well done. No runs. 0 runs. King shot please. King shot please. King shot please. King is ready. Pile, you can ball now. Pile second ball. Ball please. Shot is ready. Thank you so much. For some banners, Samir bro, Amira and Samir bro, ball please. 2 runs. Next shot please. King. King shot please. King shot please. King. Speed up please. King. Shot is ready. Third ball. Pile. Second last ball. Shot is ready. King is ready. Ball please. Second last ball. Pile again ball. Pile again ball. That is risky. And wicket is gone. 7th wicket is down. 4 wickets remaining. Who's on batting? Champion on batting. Champion, it's a normal over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Pile, hand shuffle please. And then wait. Champion, your shot please. Champion shot please. Yes, champion is ready. Last ball please. Pile. Shot is ready. Champion is ready. Pile last ball. Batsman is ready. Ball please. Shot is ready. Last ball. Pile. Samir bro 4. No, it's a 6. Risky shot and review call straight away. Captain Siapa, we wait. Review taken. Champion 1 or 3 are your digits. 1 or 3. Kindly give me. Thank you so much. Shot is ready. Review digit is ready. Pile, you can ball now. 1 or 3. Pile. Shot is ready. Review taken. First review. Ball please. Champion is ready. Pile, you can guess. Pile. Shot is ready. Pile. Awesome bowler. Send it back to the batsman once again. Next please. The next please. Over completed, right? Wait please. Kindly show me the banner. Main banner. Okay, over completed. A bowler please. Pile over completed. Bowler please. All stop. A lower, it's a normal over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Lower, kindly wait. It's a normal over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Thank you, Samir. Okay, 8 takes 1 bowling. Now you can give me your shot. Lower, now kindly give me your shot. Bowler is here. 8 takes 1 is the bowler. Wait. Do not give me the shot. Wait, Pero. Lower, kindly wait. Captain is calling free hit. Okay, thank you. Now you can give me your shot. 4 or 6. Captain called. Free hit shot, please. Okay, now give your shot, please. Lover. Thank you so much. Shot is ready. 8 exam. It's a free hit. 4 or 6 digits. Ball, please. Lover is ready. Ball, please. Ball, please. Free hit success. 4 runs to the average. Next shot, please. Lover. Lover shot, please. Lover is ready. First ball. 8 exam. First ball. Shot is ready. Ball, please. Batsman is ready. First ball. You can guess. Yes, please. 8 exam. Shot is ready. Ball, please. Just saying sensible batting. Finding the gaps. Next shot, please. Shot, please. Lover is ready. Lover is ready. Ball, please. Second ball, please. 8 exam. I got the shot. Batsman is ready. Lover is ready. Second ball. 8 exam. Shot is ready. We can ball now. Just 2 runs. Next shot, please. Lover, next shot, please. 74 runs now. 22 in shot, please. Speed up, please. Lover, your shot. Lover shot, please. Lover is ready. Ball, please. Second last ball. 8 exam. Second last ball. Shot is ready. Ball, please. Lover is ready. Lover. Smart batting. The Lover, next shot, please. The Lover shot, please. Speed up, please. Lover, your shot, please, for the last ball. Okay, kindly update the banner. Amira, banner, please. Main banner. Sure, Siapa will wait. Captain. Okay, Amira is DC. Kindly wait. Okay, Lover, please wait. Lover. Welcome back, Amira. Amira, welcome back. The last shot was 3, okay. The second last ball, shot was 3. Please add 3 runs. Please add 3 runs. Okay, 3 runs scored. The third ball. The shot, please. Okay. Thank you so much, Amira. The 77 will be runs. Thank you, Anjana bro and Amira. Okay, Lover, thank you for waiting. Shot, please. Shot, please. For the last ball, Lover. Thank you. Lover is ready. Last ball. Thank you for waiting. 8 exam. Last ball. Shot is ready. You can ball. Lover is ready. Last ball. 8 exam. Shot is ready. 8 exam. You can ball now. Add 3 more runs, please. Now wait. Now wait.
20 in the over, 56 for 1.
We are going to the Dabba over, the final over of the finale, last over of the final match. Kindly wait for the bowler. The digits are 2 or 3 or 4. Digits 2 or 3 or 4 in this over. Kindly send the bowler. All stars. Yes, the bowler is Maikin. Shot please. The Lover shot please. The bowler 2 or 3 or 4 digits. Yes, shot is ready. Lover is ready. Maikin, it's a double over. 2 or 3 or 4. Shot is ready. We can ball now. Ball please. Shot is ready. Maikin, you can guess. Maikin, you can guess. 4 runs. Yes, shot is ready. Second ball please. Maikin. Shot is ready. Ball please. Lover is ready. Maikin, you can ball now. Batsman is ready. Lover is ready. Ball please. That is tricky batting. It changed to the shot. 6 runs. balls remaining. Shot please, Lover. Welcome back, King. Shot is ready. Lover is ready. Ball please. Mike in. Second last ball. I got the shot. Lover is ready. Batsman is ready. Ball please. Mike in. Mike in Indian ball. I got the shot. Mike in. 94th run. What a batting. We have to survive this last ball to win the match. Lower shortly. Lower shortly. Still waiting for the shot. Still waiting. Lower your shot please. It's a crucial point of match, so allotting more time, but kindly send me your shots. ASAP. Lower shot please. Lower shot please. Lower shot please. Yes, lower is ready. Lower is ready. Lower is ready. Mike in. Ball please. Mike in, ball please. That's done and dusted. Congrats. Winning the match. Ishq. Winning the grand finale on the very last ball. Awesome. Congrats Captain Siapa and Ishq team. You won the tournament, defeating all other teams. Very congrats. And just behind you, very congrats All Stars, runner-up. Awesome play throughout the tournament. Very well done. Thank you so much. The best management and banners, Amir bro, all of you. Thank you so much for the banners. And Anjana bro, C-Force, and special sponsors, QNCs and Shera. Thank you so much all of you. And thank you so much to each and every one of you. I was new on Samto. Thank you so much for the welcome. Nice words you told about me. I appreciate it. I might not come to this messenger from tomorrow, but I'm so thankful to all of you. Thank you so much. Congrats again, all winners. Thank you and Mike.
Assalamualaikum. Very well played both teams. बट मैंने एंड में चवल मारने की बहुत कोशिश की लेकिन उसने सुनी नहीं क्योंकि उनको उर्दू समझ नहीं आ रही थी. Congrats, Cafe Bro and team. For the champions, stand up. C4, so very well played and very nice captaincy, but in last, why you not do again over? Your record is very nice in your last over. Stand up for the champions, stand up. Okay, here we have nice updating Amira and Samir, Amir Chima, C4, very nice hosting, JPK Bro, C4, Zian, and very nice recording, Samir. The sponsors are Shira and Queen. Siapa and All-Star Henrys. First we call for best bowler of the tournament.
I have to pick myself back up.
15 wickets. Star 15 wickets. Best bowler of the tournament. Amir Chima 13 wickets on second, and Siapa 9 wickets on third place.
I have to pick myself up. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions.
Star hand raise for best bowling of the tournament. Come on. Siapa hand, All Star also hand raise. Star. Star. Siapa and raise. All Star hand raise. Come on.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions.
Seaforce, I call All Star and Star, not Seaforce. JP Bro, very nice hosting through all tournament. Come on and raise. Star hand raise. Come on, Star. Star. Black ID Star hand raise. Behavior, 3 batsmen for best batting.
Lead me to my
Just
destiny.
Pudan.
I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe.
Meow, 166 runs.
For the champions, stand up,
D.
stand up, stand up.
D 168 runs, 250s.
For the champions, stand up, stand up.
D, the best batsman of the tournament, 168 runs.
Here we go, it's getting close. Now it's just who wants it most. It's just like that's how it is. Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. So I have vision, look, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. Stand up.
और यकीन करो मेरे अपने 160 रन से मैं नहीं हो सका बेस्ट बैट्समैन. Congrats D, the winning of best batsman of the tournament. Amira, very nice banner throughout tournament. Samir, very nice work. Zianveer also, very nice hosting.
And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick
Okay, here is the first prize for Siapa.
down. I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down,
2-digit ID. 2-digit space ID with red color, 1 month, 6,000 coins and 10,000 cash for Siapa, the winning team of the tournament.
stand up, stand up. To be the best.
And runner-up team,
Nothing left.
All Star,
Lead me to my destiny.
3-digit space ID with orange color, 1 month, 4,000 coins and 500 cash.
Stand up
And sponsors are
for the
Queen and Shera.
stand up, stand
5,000 not 500 Zaman bro ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਪਏ ਹੋ hand raise all star Shera wants gift to all star team for losing the tournament.
Here we go, it's getting close.
Hand raise, come on all star team.
Most, it's just like that.
All star team, hand raise.
'Cause we have our strength.
They are all sleeping.
Oh, I have vision, look, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. Stand up for the champions, for the champions.
All star team, hand raise, come on.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up
Welcome back, Annie.
for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
श्यापा ब्रो, आप इजी पैसा या जेस कैश नंबर आप शिरा को सेंड करो और डिजिट आईडी जो आपने बनवानी है वो शिरा को सेंड करो, ठीक है। जो भी आपकी डिजिट आईडी है वो आप शिरा को सेंड करो, शिरा रेड आईडी पे।
To pick myself back up, and when I fall down, I have to pick myself up. Stand up
कैफी ब्रो, यही जो आईडी आपको चाहिए वो आप सेंड करो शिरा को पीएम में।
for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions.
मैन ऑफ द मैच मैं भूल गया था आज का। इश शिट IDS lover, the IDS lover, the man of the match of the final. IDS lover hand raise, come on, the man of the match of the final. $33 runs. IDS lover. नहीं कैफी ब्रो, उससे डांस करवाना है। IDS lover hand raise. Shira send 600 coins. Oh sorry, I think 600 coins for final man of the match. Shira. तो यार आपको ही सेंड कर, पहले पूछने तो दो। Sipos, give me that ID. I need that ID, please. Shira, where are you? कैफी मैं लात मार के तेनू बाहर सुट देना। कुछ टैक्स खिताब No, for man of the match. For man of the match, send coins to Siapa. It's a final, so how many coins for final man of the match? Send that coins to Siapa. Come on. Thanks to everyone participating in this tournament. Wait, Samir bro. नाम दिया मेरे को कहते हैं आईडी डाल, मैंने आईडी डाली और चांस नहीं दिया. Okay, 1100 coins of man of the match for final. Send it now. Close the video. Samir bro, thanks to all. Amira, are you here? Don't go, okay? Don't go, stay here active. I want to talk with you. सारे कॉइन्स आपको स्पेस आईडी पे मिल जाएंगे विद कलर, ओके? बाकी स्पेस आईडी की जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स है वो आप डायरेक्ट मेहमान से, जो आपने चेंजिंग करवानी है वो मेहमान से करवा लेना. Everyone is clear. Match is over. Tournament is over. मजे, हाय हाय मजे मजे, कैसी ब्रो मजे मुफ्त के. और साड़ी जो है ना हर रोज खिंचाई करके उन तुसी मजे कर रहे. वाह, हर दूसरे दिन बाद साड़ी खिंचाई होती थी मुफ्त के. रोज समीर मेरे को फोन करके कहता था, यार आज मैंने 3 कप कॉफी पी है. टेंशन ले लेके मेरी अपनी जो है ना मतवज गई थी. यकीन करो आधी रात को भी मैसेज आते थे फेसबुक पे, कल किस का मैच है बताओ. ब्लश को क्यों पॉइंट दे रहे? अच्छा, ब्लश ने 2 जगह पे हमें जो है ना कहा था कि डबल, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार, जमान ब्रो, कहीं आपने भी एक स्पॉन्सर किया था बेस्ट प्लेयर के लिए. चलो ब्लश को सेंड करो 500 कॉइन्स. शाबाश. ब्लश हैंड रेज करो. जमान आपको 500 कॉइन सेंड करेंगे. ब्लश, वेयर आर यू? ब्लश, ब्लश चली गई. ओके जमान ब्रो, ब्लश को सेंड करो अब. ओ तेरी. ओके, for supporting in banner, Blush got 500 coins. बस ले 500 और सेंड करो. जैसम का दिल नहीं कर रहा. जैसम 500 आप सेंड करो. 500 फैक्ट सेंड करेगा. 500 स्यापा, 500 सीफोस. इसके तो मजे हो गए। आ जाओ माइक पे से आपा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं जमान भाई? थैंक्स फॉर विशिंग। जलाल भाई, अनजाना, आप एक बात तो बताओ, अब कौन कौन सी आईडी में आप खेल रहे थे? प्लीज कैन टेल मी एक दफा बस। अब तो मरोला मुक गया है, हर चीज खत्म हो गई है। बताना जरा, माइक पे ही आके बताना। नहीं राजा, आ रहा जो माइक पे, आ जाओ आ जाओ।
आज मैंने जबरदस्ती आईडी ली थी अवे, जिससे मैंने पहले भी प्ले करके 50 किया था और उस पे मुझे 3 पे आउट किया था कैफी ने। उसके बाद मैं आया ही नहीं मैदान में, मैं साइड था। किसी और मैच में आपको अवे नजर आया? जेपीके ब्रो डोंट गो, वी वांट टू टॉक विद यू। जेपीके ब्रो डोंट गो, ओके, मैनेजमेंट वांट्स टॉक विद यू, डोंट गो, ओके। सिफोस टेक माइक।
Wait. But Anjana bro, this is not good. You all time मैनू कहता सी कि भाई टैक्स ते एवान तेरा। मैं तुम्हें चीची उंगल पे तुम्हारा टैक्स रखाना है, मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ। ओके, मेरी इंग्लिश टू मच वीक बट आई फुल ट्राई बॉलिंग। खैर एनीवेज लीव इट, इस गल नू छाड़ दियो उत्थे ही।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, congratulations ideas. यार रुको जरा, aku baru naik terus minta mic pula. Sabarlah, mau ngomong ini kejap aja. Beb, kenapa kau enggak? Kau lagi bagi-bagi dewa. Keburu bel. Sekejap. और क्या नाम है, सामी और कैफी, यकीन करो है अनजाना मेरे टीम में नहीं है। सिर्फ मैं और शिरा है और एक इंडो यूजर है। बस 3 लोग हैं जो आपने देखा कि आईनिक का आईडी है। बस 3 लोग हैं, बाकी मेरा आईडी है। जो मैंने बॉलिंग की है सारा मेरा आईडी है। हाँ। Web, kamu mau ngapain Nick? Si Force the cheater. Yes, I'm the cheater. Nyanyi apaan jam segini? Orang ngobrol, kamu itu mau naik meter melekat di mic udah kayak lem aja di mic. Terus orang lain udah gak bisa apain lagi, naik mic lagi. यार कसम से यार, इस पर मैंने डिलीट किया। Turun, tadi suruh turun, gak mau turun pula. Turun. Kamu dah Cafe team and siapa team? Yes, for management. Wait.